Well, welcome back to the shed. Now, this one's an interesting one. I'm not working on the car. I'm just going to make up some corrective statements here because I think it's justified now. Now, I put up a video a little while ago about being really pissed off, and yes, I was really pissed off. I didn't understand why Autospec didn't come back to me in any sort of reasonable time frame that I would expect to come back with. Now, subsequently, I placed my video up. It's had quite a few hits. Thank you, everybody. But I was just telling the truth at the time. Now, Autospec have come back to me now and given me a very valid reasons why they didn't come back to me. It was just mad oversight. And I've spoken to the general manager, and he's an absolute legend. I've been really stoked with the way they've communicated now, and ongoing communication now. So I think it was just a blip on the radar. So I wanted to be fair. I said the product, love it. Product makes me happy, very happy. It looks awesome, goes well. Now the service orientation slipped a bit at the beginning, but it's definitely picked up a whole lot now. So I wanted to be really reasonable and fair and transparent so that anyone that's looking at buying these items can actually look at it and go, okay, it's not going to lack on the other side. It's took a bit of time, but we got there, and I'm really stoked with the way it's turning out. In fact, I think I've got my rubbers here. They've sent me a couple of boxes of rubbers, so I'm going to have a look at what's in here. There's some stuff here. So I'm going to cut those open, and we're going to see what's in there. Oh, hold on, look at this. Look at my shed. I can walk through. I can reach my bench. What are the chances of that? Boom! Stoked. Spent the last couple of days basically, well, let's say throwing away is the wrong term. All of our camping gear and other camping gear, we've put it all together and we've gone and delivered it to the homeless encampment, and they're stoked. It's their Christmas. They're having a great old time with it. Tents and sleeping bags and swags and whatever else we had. Still got a couple lying around, but they're going to go soon. Look after everybody, so it's good. So anyway, let's get into this. I don't know what's in these boxes. We're about to find out. Let's go. Alright, let me grab my trusty dagger. This is my trusty dagger. I actually found this knife without that handle on the Sunshine Coast Highway out near Australia Zoo. I don't know what it was doing out there, but it was dropped, and a mate of mine put some New Zealand deer antler on it for me. So it's become a really handy little knife. Let's see what's in these things, eh? Ooh. Right, that one's a bit of a surprise. We'll come back to that one in a minute. A bit of a surprise. Oh shit, okay, so they've like flashed us up with some gear. I was expecting the rubbers, but look, I got hats and shirts and stuff that wasn't expected, so that's a good thing. Thanks, Autospec. What have we got here? This is my first ever freebies. That's awesome. A couple of hats. How wicked is that? A couple of Fat Man t-shirts, which is perfect. Or a Fat Man t-shirt. What the? There's some serious gear in here. Oh, okay, storage bags. That's pretty cool. Storage bags for inside the tray. That's pretty cool. I wasn't expecting this. This wasn't what this was about. This was all about just, you know, making sure that we're very transparent with the way people treat you. Another bag. Oh, 3 bags for the back of the ute, for the back of the canopy. That's pretty handy. And then the piece of resistance. My rubbers. So, all new rubbers. Boom. This is what I wanted. This is what I was chasing from the very beginning. So this is a set for every door on the canopy. So I'm replacing every single one of them because they're a little bit short in a little bit areas. So that's awesome. Thank you, Autospec. Very much appreciated. Very much appreciated. And thanks for the gifts. I didn't expect that. That was not something that was, yeah, just expected. But I'll say thank you. Same thing. A couple of bags and a hat in there as well. So, perfect. That's really cool. I don't know what to say about that other than that's really good. I guess let's get a bit serious a minute. When it comes to orientation of service, I can actually see you now. When you're spending money, it's really easy to get sort of, what do they call it, disjointed and pushed to the wayside when you think that you're not being listened to. I had a call from Josh, and Josh explained to me what went on with him not being at work, and I completely understand why he didn't respond, because he had something going on in his world that was very important. And yes, other people could have responded in a fashionable way, and I believe they tried, but they just didn't know what they were doing or didn't really understand the ins and outs of what I was asking. You needed the knowledge and they didn't have it. So anyway, thank you, Josh, from Autospec. Very much appreciated. Thank you for reaching out, and also for the gifts. That was unnecessary, but nice. I do say thank you for that. And secondarily, thank you for sending me the parts that I need to make this right. Because obviously dusty roads, you're going to get into rubbers, and that's a bad thing. So overall, I'm happy now. Not that I wasn't in the first place, but I'm more happy now. And yeah, we shall roll on with, hopefully, a good solid relationship with Autospec, because I love their product. So far I still can't fault this canopy. It just makes me smile. And the comments I'm getting when I'm driving around with that coloured car with the canopy and the painted doors, everyone's giving it some love. Very few people have said they don't like it. In fact, no one has. And I can't stop looking at it, but that's just me because I built it. Anyway, thank you, team. I just wanted to get this nice and square so everyone gets a bit of an open and honest review. And not a service review, not product review, as you know. And yeah, thanks all for watching. Stick around, there'll be another one up before long. And I've actually got beers in the fridge now, so I'll be having one of those very shortly. And yeah, thanks everybody. Stay classy, team. Bye.